Transferring money from Digital Federal Credit Union, commonly referred to as DCU, to Bank of America is a straightforward process that can be completed online, in person, or over the phone. To initiate the transfer, you will need to have an account at both DCU and Bank of America, as well as the necessary account information for both institutions. First, gather the required information, including your DCU account number and Bank of America account number, as well as the Bank of America routing number. The Bank of America routing number can be found on the bottom of a check, on the Bank of America website, or by contacting Bank of America customer service. Next, log into your DCU online banking account and navigate to the Transfer or Payment section. Select the option to transfer funds to an external account and enter the Bank of America account information, including the account number and routing number. You will also need to specify the amount of money you want to transfer. Once you have entered the transfer details, review the information carefully to ensure it is accurate. Verify the account numbers, routing number, and transfer amount before submitting the transfer request if everything is correct. Confirm the transfer and the funds will be sent to Bank of America. Alternatively, you can also transfer money from DCU to Bank of America by visiting a DCU branch in person or by calling the DCU customer service phone number. When calling, be prepared to provide the necessary account information and verify your identity to complete the transfer. It is essential to note that transfer times and fees may vary depending on the transfer method and the type of accounts you have at DCU and Bank of America. Typically, online transfers are faster and less expensive than in-person or phone transfers. Additionally, same-day transfers may incur an additional fee, while standard transfers may take a few business days to complete. To avoid any issues or delays, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your DCU account to cover the transfer amount, and that the Bank of America account is active and able to receive the transfer. It is also a good idea to check with both DCU and Bank of America for any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply to your accounts. By following these steps and understanding the transfer process, you can easily and securely transfer money from DCU to Bank of America. Remember to always verify the account information and transfer details carefully to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.